In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Translate on iPhone. Grab your phone so you can follow along with me in real time as we go step by step. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Look for the blue icon with a white letter A made of little sticks on your home screen. When you tap it, the App Store will load and you should see featured apps or games on the main screen, which confirms you are in the right place. Next, tap the Search tab. You will find Search as a word or a magnifying glass icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap it, a search page opens with a big search bar at the top and a list of recent or suggested searches below. Now type Google Translate in the search bar. Tap in the bar once, and the keyboard will slide up from the bottom. Carefully type the words Google Translate with a space between them. As you type, suggested results may appear under the bar, which can help you spot the correct app quickly. From there, select Google Translate by Google LLC. Look through the results and find the one with the familiar Google multicolor G icon and the name Google Translate. Check that the small gray text under the name says Google LLC, so you know it is the official app, not a copy. Once you have the right app, tap Get. The Get button is on the right side of the app listing. When you tap it, it should change to a spinning circle or a progress square. That change confirms your iPhone has started the download process. After that, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account password if prompted. If a panel slides up asking you to double-click the side button for Face ID, do that while looking at your phone. If you see a fingerprint prompt, gently place your registered finger on the home button. If your device asks for a password, type your Apple account password carefully and tap Done. Once accepted, the download continues automatically without any extra taps. Now wait for the app to download and install. On the app page, you will see a progress circle slowly fill up around the icon. Depending on your internet speed, this can take a few seconds or a bit longer, and you do not need to keep touching the screen while it finishes. When the app is ready, the button will change from a progress indicator to an open button. With that ready, tap Open to start using Google Translate. The app will launch and you will see the main translation screen with two language selectors at the top and a text box area in the middle. From here you can translate written text, speak into the microphone, point your camera at signs or menus, or draw handwriting, and it can handle over 200 languages right on your iPhone. You just installed Google Translate on your iPhone and opened it for instant language help wherever you go. If this walkthrough helped, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple iPhone how-to guides.